ça, c'est quelque chose aussi qui est important. Et la dernière chose, c'est le karaté où j'ai un peu moins de temps récemment pour aller aux entraînements.
The further question is, so what was your hobby in France, not Japan? That right now, just you have 3 regular hobbies, like the really Japanese traditional thing. So how about the France? So what was your hobby in France? Traveling?
Yeah, traveling also was a lot. Like sports was more like swimming pool, and I was also practicing karate at that time.
In France?
Yes. Yeah, since very young. And what was hobby? It was not like, I don't know, regular hobby like this. Now it's quite regular. Yeah. Quand j'étais en France, voyager aussi beaucoup dès que je pouvais. I was doing bicycle a lot. This is also something very important in Japan. Yeah. Donc je faisais aussi beaucoup de vélo, plus la piscine, et autrement le voyage, beaucoup. Ouais.
次の質問です。趣味にはいつどれくらい時間をかけますか？ So when or how much do you spend your hobby? It's regular, roughly.
Like it's more on weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weekend.
And for otherwise, like for example, when you practice an instrument, you have to do as much as possible.
Yeah.
So it's like when you have like some free time, 30 minutes to practice. Donc c'est pas facile comme réponse, mais c'est pour les hobbies, c'est plus le week-end. Et pour quand on pratique un instrument, c'est mieux de faire le plus souvent possible, même un petit peu. Donc dès qu'on a un moment de libre, 30 minutes dans la journée, ou le matin, ou plutôt le soir en revenant de cours. Voilà.
次の質問です。短期の休みは何をしますか？ What do you do in short break, short vacation or something like that in Japan?
I go far from Tokyo. I don't know, I try to go like Natsu, but Natsu Yasumi is long.
Yeah.
But last weekend I went to Kyoto, for example.
How about the long vacation?
I do the
over
same.
3 days. Over 3 days.
Over 3 days I go more far, like Hokkaido or. Yeah, I think traveling is very important and and making effort. Like okay, so like short things I will try to like go in the mountain close to Tokyo. I've been like doing some like hiking, and for like longer it's also like I went to Hokkaido.
But the other prefectures,
huh?
like Hokkaido, not Japan, not Tokyo.
Yeah. To feel far from. I like Tokyo really. Really, I really like the city, maybe more than Paris. But I need like also this time with Shizuka, very calm. And donc dès que j'ai un peu de temps pour un week-end, j'essaie de m'évader ou à la montagne, ou ça peut être aussi à la mer, mais loin, de se sentir loin de Tokyo, de cette atmosphère pressante. Même si j'aime beaucoup cette ville, j'ai besoin de me sentir loin, et après pour revenir, c'est toujours dans la même démarche. Et quand j'ai plus de temps, je vais plus loin.
Okay, the further question is, so you said, I think you go around near the Tokyo, so I think you're gonna to see a lot of the salarymen or businessmen, so Liberian suits. So what do you think about that? The Japanese the salaryman sits on the streets, like the same suits and the black bag, and what do you think about?
What do you think about that?
Yeah, so on the street, a lot of the people wear the same clothes, and the same glasses like him.
I don't know.
Looks like a really busy, or they might have no, they're like a relax, they just work and work.
I don't know how to answer this question. What do you think? like, okay, I can answer by telling like they have no choice to, I don't know, like wondering, like I know maybe it's the way to wear this kind of thing you are, it's the salary, the big company, like wondering, like when I see maybe these people, if they have the choice, will they keep like wearing this kind of things, or will they not? I don't know if, I don't understand the question, if it's like when you see a lot of salaryman or
フランスの状況を
それも後で聞きます。はい。一応日
だと
本語
like the question is it this lot of people concentrate in the same place, going like for me the question is not is very
it's
big.
a burden. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, like the area like Shinjuku or Shibuya, so they a lot of the people like him is wearing a blue black suits, and they seems like they don't have enough time to take a lunch or something like that. So by seeing like that, so what do you think about that?
I feel it's sad maybe. Yeah.
That's sad.
To not have the feeling of time, but this is like that also. The missing, like I feel sad because of missing time. I feel like people doesn't have time, but it's not like that. It's like that in the society. Donc quand je vois ça, je vais pas dire je trouve ça un peu triste. C'est dû au manque de temps. On n'a plus le temps pour rien faire, donc tout est lié à l'efficacité. Et donc voilà, c'est pas évident comme question de dire ce qu'on pense de voir ces salaryman qui sont concentrés dans les mêmes espaces. Et ça donne un peu triste et monotone.
So how about French? French? Yeah. Is it possible to see like the same wearing sets or?
Yes. If you go to La Défense in Paris, I think I rarely go. Maybe I went twice, but this is like big business district. So I'm sure I probably at 12 or in the evening at 5, 6, it's like the same. Yeah.
So do you think is it more competitive than Japan? It's like a competitive than Japan in Paris.
Okay. Sorry.
So do you think the competition is more harder than Japan than in France? I mean, France. So like, is it similar to Shinjuku's businessman? Like
in this district, maybe, but this is only one place, and then it's more heterogeneous, like more various, many things different. But I don't know, like, yeah.
So you think the Paris is the only city like looks like really busy, or time is really flying fast?
Like people really looks busy, but there is not like this same style where like everyone is different, I think, except maybe in this big business district. Donc en fait, oui, à Paris, je pense qu'on a aussi cette vision des gens très occupés qui n'ont pas le temps et qui courent partout, tout le temps, qui bougent. Mais au niveau de l'habillement, c'est quand même un peu plus varié. Peut-être à part, mais je ne sais pas bien, dans le quartier d'affaires de la Défense, où ça doit un peu ressembler au moment des pauses déjeuner et le soir à la sortie du travail, avec cette longue, interminable sortie de bureau de tous ces gens habillés en costume, probablement.
最後だな。休日に it's like a holidays で働くことについてどう思いますか? So what do you think about the people working on the holidays? It's like in Japan, as you mentioned.
Working during
during a holiday. So working during a holiday. What do you think about that?
Maybe, I don't know. Like if they choose, their work colleague, or they cannot. They become like it's like their life. It's their like passion. Like you really like it's your work is your passion. It's the only thing you have in life. But then you miss many other. But it's your choice to be like that.
It's like opportunity cost to like opportunity cost to like it's economics terms. So opportunity cost is yeah. It's okay. The France.